Back in the 90s, I was in this huge Avalanche. There were 12 or 14 of us. We all knew what we were doing. We did the right thing. We did all the analytics, just like any business would, right? You go into this terrain and you look around at the terrain and there's opportunity there, and doing all the analytics to approach it safely. The actual fracture line happened between myself and another guy. We were the lowest in the group. And the slide started, and I grabbed him and I just said, let's ride this out. It's not going to be any big deal. And I think that's what happens in business and disruption, is like a first fissure happens and things start moving, but everybody's like, oh, it's going to be fine, we'll do okay. Well, unbeknownst to us, there was a fracture line that happened above the cliff band that was 9 feet deep and 1,000 feet across. A couple of people were buried all the way, and everybody was buried partially. Everything can be going along, and a massive disruption happens, whether it's self-generated or generated in an industry or generated by culture, and all of a sudden it shakes everybody up so much that there are these long lingering effects in not only the psyche of the organization, but the psyche of each individual person on what they're willing to experience and the confidence to go out there and do it again, and how they're willing to accept risk. And to me, I think that we have this perception in business that we think we control the world. I think what's probably more correct is it's more about timing. It's more about being in the right place at the right time and interpreting the world. Instead of trying to say we control it, we're trying to set up these mechanisms of these organizations to control outcomes and control situations. I think it'd be much healthier to think about it in the context of we're interpreting culture and trying to be in the right place at the right time and create something with culture. A really good surfer finds themselves in the right place at the right time to take off on a wave, but then always flows and does maneuvers to stay where the most powerful part of the energy of the wave is.